Special delivery. I got another one. Papa Bear checking out the new inventory. What do you think, Dad?
Everything works. 60 miles.
Yeah, well, he's always got.
So, driver window.
Yeah.
Problem electric.
Sure.
I'm open it and after 30 minutes.
Won't go back up?
Yeah.
Sure.
Ready.
He'll fix it.
What do you think, Papa Bear?
I like the combination. It looks like a good.
This would be a good company car for you. All right. 91 Brougham. Got the ASC grill. White with white cladding. Blue presidential top. Delegance. You want to watch him, Dad?
Yeah, you're looking for the ramp?
Blue Delegance. It did have a Continental kit on the back.
Yeah.
I believe it still comes with a Continental kit.
Keep going.
All right. Take a look at this sweet machine. Yeah. Just when I said I don't need any more cars because I'm absolutely out of space, they just keep coming. All right, I want to show you guys this beautiful 91 Cadillac Brougham that just got dropped off. I bought this from the original owner's estate. Really cool car, really a neat piece that I can guarantee anybody who loves Cadillacs has never seen one dressed up like this one. This Papa Bear sighting. But before I get into the car, I want to remind everybody, this is what I do. I chase these cars. You can see a couple more in the background there. You can see my Buick wagon over here. If you love these big American luxury cars, hit that subscribe button and definitely hit the notification icon so you get all types of updates every time I get another car. There goes Papa Bear with another one. Anyway, so this car came to me. Really cool. It makes me feel good about myself. The son-in-law to the original owner found me on Google. It blows me away of how a little guy like me in New Hampshire can be found online. And that's where I get all my subscribers. I know I'm so blessed with all the people that follow me. I thank you every day, because without all your subscriptions and following and comments and love and phone calls, I wouldn't be able to do what I do. Found me on Google, called me up, said, hey, I got this Cadillac. Are you interested in it? Of course I am. Sent me some pictures. I fell in love. So let me show you what this car is. So this car was sold new at Lund Cadillac. It's a 91 Brougham Delegance, 66,000 miles. And this is exactly how it came off the truck. Truck driver just left. But I want to show you a walk around. And normally I don't do walk around videos of how I got cars and like their condition, because obviously first impression's the best. And you can see this car's got a couple battle scars here and there that I will work out and get cleaned up. But I want to show you how cool this is. So this is a white 91 Brougham Delegance. You can see it's got the custom canvas E&G top with the presidential badges. The really cool parts of this car, though, I'm going to show you. Look at these hubcaps. Now, gold-plated spokes with the blue centers. That was really common with the spring edition front-wheel drive cars of the late 80s. I've never seen that on a Brougham. Another cool thing with these, or this one, gold lamp monitors. Another cool dealer-added accessory. It's got the Alpha Cadillac grill, which is super cool. Gold grill, high top rise grill. It even has a hood ornament alarm. It's disconnected now, but the hood ornament alarm back then, when you went like this, it would activate the car's horns to try to scare you away from stealing the hood ornament, essentially. Go down the side here, you can see a couple little spots. This used to be a presidential emblem. It's got some old glue I'm going to try to take off. So it needs a little bit of love, needs a little bit of cleaning up, but the top's in really nice shape. All the white cladding down the side. Now, another cool dealer add-on accessory with this car was a Continental kit. You can see the impression on the back bumper. There was a Continental kit on this car. It's actually in the trunk. I'll show you in a minute. So I'm going to have to replace some fillers here, do a little bit of filler panel work, because that's actually how it was attached. But I'll clean all this up, refinish all the molding here, get this car really looking good. You know, it shows well now, but she's a diamond in the rough. The antenna needs to be rebuilt. The power antenna is just kind of loose and flapping around. Needs to be rebuilt. I do stuff like that, rebuild the power antennas, all that kind of cool little things. You can see here a couple little battle scars. Nothing too earth-shattering, but wait till you see the inside of this car. Let me go over the top here. Now, the inside of this car, when I saw it, I had to buy this car. I was so blessed to have the opportunity to even see it, but to have the opportunity to buy it really blew me away. Take a look at the inside of this Brougham. Oop, locked. Look at that. White and blue leather interior. Dirty. You can see how dirty it is, but look at this. Now this isn't dyed. This is like re-stitched in leather. So the dealership that sold this new, I'm assuming probably took two Broughams, triple blue one and maybe this triple white one, and literally took these seats apart and re-stitched in this blue leather. Look how neat this car looks. It almost looks like the commemorative edition Eldorados, gold door lock knobs. The commemorative edition Eldorados and Sevilles of the 80s. Another cool thing that they did, presidential edition floor mats. Really cool and over the top. Come around over here. This interior of this car is dirty. This is raw as I got the car, but it's in really nice shape. All this stuff will clean the coffee stains and stuff out of it. Not a big deal, but look at that. That is absolutely wild. You go around and start it up. Pop the trunk. This car is so cool. $66,800 miles. Starts right up. Something else I gotta fix. Another cool thing, look at the keychain here. It even has the presidential edition keychain. Now this is all dealer added on accessories. This is not how this car was delivered from Cadillac back in 1991. Look at that. That's a Continental kit that was on this car. E&G Classics, gold spoked, gold banded Continental kit. Now the gentleman that called me on this car said he was driving this car from his father-in-law's house, and the Continental kit literally fell off the back of the car, which is why it's all scraped up here. Kind of dinged up, scraped up. Literally driving down the road, I guess those two brackets must have broke or let go, and the kit fell off the back, so they took it off the rest of the way. They included it. Not really too crazy about the way that these cars look with Continental kits, but so I probably won't put it back on, but it was kind of cool that it came with it. When you run inside, grab some of the paperwork. I want to show you what some of this stuff cost back in 1991. All right, so I even have the original window sticker for this car, showing a 91 Brougham. It's a Delegance package, $2,400 Delegance package, wire locking caps, $445. No charge for the top, lower accent, delete. $33,945 was the original MSRP for this Cadillac. Now, Lund Cadillac, here's the dealer added options and accessories. The GM Desert Protection Package with GM Teflon paint protection and GM Teflon interior protection, all bullshit, $785. Custom pinstripe, $150. Custom window tint, $195. Vogue premium tires, obviously not on the car anymore, but I think I might actually put a new set of Vogues on it, $795. Custom wire wheels, $1295. full gold package, all the gold emblems, $7.95. Hood ornament alarm, $180. Custom grill, $12.95. Custom gold spare tire, $18.95. Security system, $5.99. Presidential package, $29.95. Custom gold lamp monitors, $225. This added over $10,000 for a total price of $45,000 on this 91 Cadillac Brougham. Absolutely insane to think about today that those weren't even, you know, dealer or original options. This was all just aftermarket. Dealers back in the day used to love that stuff. A lot of markup in those dealer added options. The custom tops, the custom gold emblems. You just don't see that anymore. It's a long since dead thing that they used to do back in the day, but I love getting cars like this in because it's really, it shows you kind of who had cars like this, what they paid for them, and what they did with big money that they had that they just spent. Grandma and grandpa just went crazy. Anyways, that's the car. I'm going to take it for a spin, bring it up the street for some gas. But I want to show you a little walk around of what this 91 Brougham is as it came off the truck. Car is not available for sale yet. It will be at some point. Keep in touch. It'll probably be a little while before I get this one ready. I got a few cars ahead of it to get ready for sale. Again, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Thanks for all the love and support. Don't forget to hit that subscription button in the bottom right corner. We'll see you soon. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. This is kind of like a little sneak peek. This car is not for sale yet, obviously. It just got here. It is going to take a little while to get this one ready. It needs a few odds and ends, brief fillers and stuff like that. But I got way too much stuff ahead of it. So this car you probably won't see again for a few months. This is going in the back 40, we'll say. Bringing it down for some gas. Give you a quick once around one more time. Fill her up.